Welcome back. We often check out the AI agent store for interesting tools, and today we've got one that really caught our eye.
Yeah. What's this one?
It's called CoTester. It's an AI agent, and it's aimed squarely at, well, transforming software testing.
Not testing. Okay. Definitely an area ripe for innovation, let's say.
Exactly. And while it's maybe more for the pros, QA, engineers, developers, the way it boosts efficiency is, I think, interesting for anyone tracking AI's impact.
hmm It really is.
Yeah,
Because traditional software testing, I mean, let's be honest, it can be a major bottleneck, right?
totally.
It's vital, obviously,
Yeah.
but it just eats up so much time and resources. Can be pretty repetitive, too.
Right.
So the idea of AI stepping in here, like with CoTester, it's really compelling, could genuinely speed things up.
So how does it actually do that? What makes CoTester different?
Well, what's cool is its whole approach. It's basically pre-trained on like the entire testing lifecycle, everything
Yeah.
from basics to advanced stuff, and it lets you create tests, manual, automated, whatever, just by typing in plain English.
Wait, really? So you don't need to write code?
Less of it, yeah. You could literally tell it, test the login with bad passwords and grab a screenshot if it errors out.
Huh.
And it figures out how to generate and run that test.
Yeah.
You're describing, not scripting.
That simplicity. Wow. That sounds huge, especially if not everyone on the team is a coding whiz.
Exactly.
And it mentions this 79% autonomy figure. For someone maybe not deep in AI metrics, what does that actually mean in practice for a team?
Good question. That 79%, basically it means CoTester can handle almost 4 out of 5 testing tasks all by itself. No hand-holding needed for those bits.
4 out of 5, like what kind of tasks?
Things like creating the test cases, running them on actual browsers and phones, finding bugs, even checking for performance slowdowns.
Wow.
It can even help manage the workflow, like assigning bugs out. It's like having a really capable assistant on the testing team.
So it's managing a big chunk of the whole process, not just one tiny step.
That's the idea. It aims to integrate smoothly into how teams already work. Think about how fast development moves now.
Right, constantly changing.
Yeah, so CoTester can run tests automatically whenever developers push new code. It catches bugs way earlier.
Ah, okay. So it's proactive. That feels like a big shift.
It is. Finding things early saves so much headache down the line. It's a huge boost for speed and, well, just building better products.
So what's the bottom line impact here? This sounds like it could really change things.
It really could.
Yeah.
CoTester focuses on automating that manual test script creation, and it makes regression testing way more efficient.
Okay.
The number they mention is around a 40% reduction in effort. 40%.
Yeah.
And just significant time savings overall in that testing phase.
40% is substantial.
It absolutely is. But, the really interesting thing isn't just the number, impressive as it is.
What do you mean?
It's about what that saved time allows. If your testers aren't bogged down writing repetitive scripts or debugging simple stuff,
They can do other things.
exactly. They can focus on higher level stuff like strategic thinking, more exploratory testing, designing really tricky test cases that maybe the AI wouldn't think of yet.
Ah, so it changes the role of the tester.
Precisely. It shifts from just doing the routine tasks to sort of orchestrating the whole testing effort
Uh-huh.
and maybe innovating on how testing is done. It's not just automation, it's augmentation. Human plus AI.
That's a really fascinating way to put it. Augmentation, not just replacement. It does feel like we're moving into a new phase with these tools.
I think so. It encourages a different way of thinking about productivity and what skills become more valuable when AI handles the routine.
So if you're listening and this sounds interesting and you want to learn more about CoTester or, other AI agents streamlining work,
Definitely check out the source.
yeah, head over to aiagentstore.ai. You can find more details there.
Good place to explore these kinds of tools.
Absolutely. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we really appreciate it when you rate the show.